Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the personal hotspot to the control center in this device. So go to open the control center. Now press and hold the blank area of the control center. Tap on the option add a control. Tap on this one. Now scroll to the connectivity section. So here you can see the option personal hotspot under the connectivity, right? So tap on this one. Now you can see the personal hotspot is here. So you can rearrange the position and also you can resize this one also. You can see. After edit this one, tap on any blank area of the control center. Now here you can see the personal hotspot is in the control center in this device. So simply in this way you can add the personal hotspot to the control center in this phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.